Everything you need to know about homeschooling. The reasons why homeschooling is increasing. How to deregister your child. Homeschooling process. Checklist for hiring a tutor. Facts and figures. Official Department for Education, 29th of January 2026. Homeschooling in England has more than doubled over the past 5 years. Local authorities recorded an estimated 126,000 children in home education during autumn 2025-2026 term. This is a massive increase from the roughly 50 to 60,000 cases typically recorded pre-pandemic. Data reflects the number of children officially known by local authorities to be in elective home education during the autumn census in England, UK. In autumn 2021, 49,850 children, 2022, 80,900, 2023, 86,200, 2024, 111,700 children, in 2025, 126,000 children are being home educated. So why are children leaving school and being homeschooled? Recent data from the Department for Education and local authority reports point to several key drivers behind the shift. Mental health and bullying in schools. Approximately 16% of parents cite child mental health struggles or bullying as the primary reason for pulling their child out of the traditional classroom. Mental health and anxiety. A significant spike in children suffering from school phobia, severe anxiety and depression has made the traditional school environment unmanageable for many. Leaving school is often seen as a necessary intervention to protect a child's well-being. So why are children leaving school and being homeschooled? Special education needs, disabled needs. Dissatisfaction with the special education needs and disabilities SEND support system in mainstream schools has heavily contributed to the increase, with many families viewing home education as a necessary fallback. Unmet SEND needs. Many parents are forced to withdraw their children because mainstream schools lack the resources or funding to properly support special education needs and disabilities, or education, health and care plans. Human rights. Education is a fundamental human right. It is guaranteed to every child globally under international law, designed to break poverty cycles, reduce inequalities and ensure healthy development, regardless of a child's background or abilities. The framework protecting your rights. Multiple global and domestic policies mandate that all children have access to free and compulsory education. UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. Article 28 states that every child has the right to an education no matter who they are, including refugees or those with disabilities. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization Right to Education highlights that education is a basic human right necessary for sustainable development. Human Rights Act Article 2 legally protects the right of an effective education for all children in the UK. Why it matters? Education does more than teach reading and writing. It provides skills young people need to thrive, build peaceful societies, and safeguard against exploitative child labour. How to deregister your child from school. To deregister your child from a mainstream school in England to home educate, simply email or write a letter to the head teacher. State your intention to take responsibility for your child's education and instruct the school to remove them from the role immediately. Mainstream schools, no permission needed. You do not need approval from the school or the local authority. The process. Send a written letter or email directly to the head teacher. Their email address will be located on the school's website. The required details include your child's full name, date of birth, their current school, and the date the deregistration is effective. Legal requirements. The school is legally obligated to remove your child's name from the admission register immediately upon receipt of the notice. How to deregister your child with an education and healthcare plan from school. Special schools and attendance orders. Special schools. If your child has an education and healthcare plan and attends a special school, the local authority must give consent before the school can take them off the roll. Email the local authority. Their email address will be on your local council website. School attendance orders. If the child is attending school subject to an attendance order, you must get permission from your local council before you can home educate. Funding. There is no direct government funding or specific grant available for day-to-day homeschooling expenses in the UK. parents bear all the costs for books, learning resources and exam fees. However, you can offset these costs through general family benefits, local council help in specific circumstances and free online resources. General family benefits. You remain eligible for standard government financial support while home educating, provided your child meets the age requirements. Child benefit can still be claimed. Universal credit continues to apply. Tax-free childcare. Working parents can get up to £2,000 per child per year to help with qualifying childcare and activity costs. Funding continued. Local council support. Local authorities, LAs, do not provide standard home education budgets, but they can sometimes offer discretionary assistance. Special education needs. If your child has an education healthcare plan, your LA may fund specific resources or therapies outlined in the plan. Exam fees. Some LAs will discretionarily help with the cost of entering a child for GCSEs or A-levels as a private candidate. Local discretion. Contact your specific council through the gov.uk local council finder to check if they offer any specific hardship grants or exam centre support. Funding continued. How to apply for SEND funding for home education. If your child has an education healthcare plan and you've chosen to home educate them yourself, the LA will likely not fund your child's education, especially if they've been offered you a school place or other setting they feel is appropriate. However, it's worth contacting your local authority to discuss your child's individual situation. If your LA has decided your child is better off receiving education otherwise than at school, which is essentially education outside the school setting, they'll pay for that for you. You can still claim disability living allowance if your child is under 16, has a disability and you're home educating them. You're also still eligible for a grant via the family fund if you're on a low income and have a disabled or seriously ill child. Hiring a homeschooling teacher. What to check? Check their certificates. Make sure they have a TRN, Teaching Regulation Number. If they do not, they are not qualified to teach your child. Request their advanced disclosure. They should be on the update service. Check the DBS number on the Data and Borrowing Service. Check their work history. They may not have experience that is required to teach your child. For example, if your child has ADHD, but the teacher has no experience teaching children with ADHD, they will be ineffective in helping your child's development. Hiring a homeschooling teacher. Average pricing. Costs. The cost of a homeschooling teacher in the UK typically ranges from £20 to £60 per hour, depending on the tutor's experience, the subject level, and whether the tuition is online or face-to-face. Monthly and full-time specialised packages can range from £1,000 to over £19,000 per term. Hourly teacher rates. For direct one-to-one tutoring or part-time teacher support, rates vary by the level of study. Primary, Key Stage 1 and 2, is £20 to £35 per hour. Secondary, GCSE, £35 to £50 per hour. A-level, £40 to £60+ per hour. Special education needs, £65 to £90+ per hour. Full-time homeschooling packages. If you prefer to outsource the management of your child's education to agencies, prices span on a wide spectrum. Homeschool management, curriculum and guidance, approximately £1,000 per term. Part-time or supplementary support, approximately £3,000 per term. Full-time bespoke educational packages, approximately £19,000 per term. If you are the child's legal guardian, make sure you and the child are comfortable with the homeschooling arrangements. It is your decision on how your child is educated. Free Homeschooling Resources UK have interactive lessons with tasks for the students to complete. It is free, so please subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, please like, share and definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.